nandito pa rin kami guys. That's okay. And Mama always narrating and telling a story at the back. So dito na kami guys. Sorry, I was about to take a video of it. Sorry guys, mapakita ko sana yung yung welcome to Florida na na-miss ko na naman. Pero okay lang. Nandito kami sa Florida. Maghanap lang kami ng makakainan siguro in 40 minutes time. Yeah. Where are we now, Hope? Okay. Welcome Center, Florida. Ayun. Careful. Ito na kami. Okay. Ganda rito. Ang puno. Ayan. May mga nag-walk ng dog. Ito na kami.